Hi there everybody again, and here we are back with the numeral and doing basic number facts, but particularly looking at subtraction, and we're going to be using the strategy of counting back, which is probably the one which most of us would think makes most common sense. All right, so just quickly looking up here, if we have got, say, 10, take away 1, I would ask the kids in the classroom to count back from 10, the number that they're going to take away. So we're going to take away one away, and we're going to end up with 9. Of course, they'd need to count all of these, and they could work all of that out. They could use other types of attribute blocks. So then 10 take away 2, and we would end up with 8. Any number. All right. Now, the beauty of the numeral is that you can see all the numbers here. We can also see they're already partitioned into their place value areas. So we've got 10 and 10 and 10. And then if we're doing this to, make it simple for the children in the beginning, and we're doing our subtraction and we want to use the counting back strategy, if we say 10, take away 1, we take 1 away from there, and we'll automatically see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic. So 10 take away 2, 1, 2, and you are going to end up with 8. Absolutely brilliant, so easy to use, so easy for the kids to see and to understand. All right, so let's just write those numbers down there. So we had 9 and then we had 8. Let's do something a little bit more difficult. Let's look at, say, 15, take away 8. Find out what that is. So again, you can imagine if you had to get all of these things out, they're actually starting to get a little bit too complicated. But with our number facts up to 30, which we need to know by the end of level 2, very easy to do on here. So let's look at 15. We've got 15, there it is there, and we need to take away 8. Using the counting back strategy, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And look, we've got 7 left. You couldn't get easier than that, could you? All right, so that is subtraction, the counting back strategy. Let's do one more of these to show that we can even go a little bit harder, and we'll just write down the answer to that one there. And let's go with 27, and let's take away 12. And let's see where we get with this. All right, so here's our numeral, and let's find where our 27 is. Here it is here, and let's take away 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. And our answer is 15. All right? So there's all sorts of discussion that we can make here in relation to, where our partitioning is and those types of things, but we'll go into all of that later. So there's plenty to do in relation to exploring the concepts that we're trying to introduce one by one to the kids, so that they can adapt many different strategies so that they can become very good at their basic number facts and understand mentally what we're expecting them to do. All right? Gotta love that. So that is counting back, doing subtraction with the numeral. Can't get better than that. Hope you buy one soon. Thanks very much. Bye.